What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, your home for your crypto fix. Hopefully everyone's having an amazing day. Hopefully you already started a weekend. If you did, I'm jealous. I don't know what I'm going to get into this weekend. Well, we know the Super Bowl Sunday. Hopefully the Eagles win. We know we got the UFC pay-per-view Saturday. I also just found out I'm going to a hockey game Saturday. So it looks like my weekend's already filled up. That's how it goes sometimes, you know. In this episode, we're going to talk about XRP, XLM, both ledgers being used to tokenize the Treasury. That's correct. I will say it again. We are talking about the XRP ledger and XLM Stellar, both ledgers being used to tokenize Treasuries. It is happening. It was announced yesterday. We're going to go over it. I got you covered. We're going to talk about a new partner that Ripple just announced. And then we're going to look at the price charts and talk about the manipulation going on in these markets as they're trying to shake you out and they're trying to pry you away from your beloved cryptocurrencies. But it doesn't work around here and not to the people that listen to this channel. So without further ado, sit back, relax. Let's jump into a Bitcoin. $97,575. It's currently up 0.83% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum coming in at 2,676. It's currently down 1.51%. And our beloved XRP, hey, it had a little bit of a run today. Nothing crazy, but it was nice to see it move up here. Coming in at $2.47. It's up a little bit over 6% in the past 24 hours. Total cryptocurrency market cap coming in at $3,199 billion. Where are we going to go from here? Look, I can come on this channel. I can tell you this each and every single day. The only asset we are looking at and paying attention to is Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to get its butt kicked into gear. It's not doing anything. It's chilling. 90,000. It loves this $93,000 to $97,000 range. It absolutely loves it. But you know what? It can hang out there for as long as it wants, because we know how this ends. We know we're not going to get shaken out here. Okay? So Bitcoin, have fun. But we know where you're going. You're going to 175,000. There's nothing they can do about it. Tokenization says, excited to share. We are now working with Ripple. It states we're expanding coverage to include Ripple, XRP, the XRP Ledger, RLUSD, and more, bringing its community the best updates, metrics, and insights, all in one place every single month. Be interesting to see what they're going to put out. If I had to take a guess, this is not like an actual product. It is more numbers and metrics to show you, you know, who's using the XRP Ledger. Where are these people located in the world? What are they interacting with? What are they using it with? How are they interacting with it? I think that's what they're going to put out. So we'll pay attention. We'll see what they do. But it's always cool to see new companies, new research companies come out and announce that they are working with Ripple, and maybe they're going to take over their, like, you know, quarterly reports. I don't know. We'll find out. XRP chart. This is what we're looking at. And I just noticed we are not changing screens. Hold on. I got you covered. I promise. I'm happy we figured this out now. We need to come over here, and then we probably need to do one of these, and you still can't see. Haha. Now you can see. Here's the XRP chart. Here was it. Here was the token relations, the post that you just missed. But let's get into the XRP chart. This is what we're looking at. This is on the 4 hour. Look, on the 4 hour, we don't look so bad. We're going to get 2 candle closures above the EMA unless this thing completely downturns within the next 4 hours, which I don't see happening, which is the first step here for short-term price action. Once this green, and we can zoom in so you can really see where it is, once this green crosses over the purple, which if we continue like this, is going to happen in the next day or so, we're good on price action for the midterm, right? But if we change this out and we look at the daily chart here, well, really not that close. But that's okay, right? Pay attention to 4 hour. It's looking bullish in the short term, which could give us some more price projections and movement to the upside. And put this. We just found this one out. It's pretty cool. Breaking XRP depository receipts will soon be available for purchase by accredited investors. So what are they? Well, we did a whole thread on it. God bless ChatGPT. Let me tell you something. It says depository receipts are financial instruments that represent ownerships of assets like stocks or crypto and are tradable on traditional markets. Think of them like stock ADRs, but it's for digital assets. Each DR, that's the depository receipt, would be backed by, guess what? XRP 1-to-1, which would be held by a custodian. This is huge. It's a 1-to-1 backing. This is going to drive institutional adoption. And each one of these needs to hold XRP as a 1-to-1 to back it up. Why is this important? Institutional grade exposure to XRP. Exactly what we want to get this thing above $10. It will allow traditional investors to buy XRP via brokerage accounts. And it will potentially avoid crypto exchanges limitations and regulations. So no more worrying about that you can only send $20,000 a week off of Coinbase. But when you do send that $20,000, they're going to freeze your account and want you to send in a picture ID, a piece of your hair. You know, it won't take a swab out of your mouth, and then they'll let you know that, okay, that it really is you. So who can issue these depository receipts? Large banks, crypto investment firms, or financial institutions, folks. This is huge. This is going to play into the ETFs that we are going to see be adopted very, very shortly. So what does it mean for XRP adoption? More liquidity, greater clarity. If we get depository receipts, which we are, we're going to see the ETFs come as well. And this is going to help bridge traditional finance in the crypto markets, folks. This is huge. This is absolutely tremendous. This is the step forward that we want to see for XRP here. This is going to help with the institutions and bringing in the banks and the big money. I put this out. Look, I've been talking about Ondo a lot. Ondo is one of those sleeping giants. $1, $1.50, you know what I mean? Some of you are going to be like, but I can get XRP for a couple of bucks more. I get it. But I do believe that Ondo this cycle can do a 10 to 30x. Not financial advice, just from my research and what I have been digging up. So what does Ondo come out and announce? They had their summit, right? They had freaking Eric Trump, they had Donald Trump Jr. speaking at the summit. You know, Joel Katz is at the summit speaking there as well. So what does Ondo come out and announce? And what are they doing, first of all? So if you do not know, you're going to find out now. This is a layer 1 that is tokenizing real world assets, bonds, stocks, real estate, okay? They are already working with Franklin Templeton, Wellington, Wisdom Tree, BlackRock, working with them all for tokenization, which is huge, right? When you start tokenizing the stocks, bonds, ETFs, real estate, this is huge, okay? And Ondo partnered with Ripple to use the XRP ledger to help tokenize these things. So Ondo comes out yesterday at the summit, and they tell you that they are tokenizing, or they're going to issue tokenized treasuries. They're going to issue tokenized treasuries. They then come out and they state that they will be using the XRP ledger and XLM to issue these tokenized treasuries, to issue these tokenized stocks, tokenized bonds, tokenized ETFs. Do you see? Are you really sitting back and looking at the big picture here? We have these depository receipts, which is going to bring banks, large institutions, big money to XRP. We then have Ondo comes out, who we know that they're working with BlackRock and Wisdom Tree to tokenize stocks, bonds, ETFs, real estate, and treasuries. And then they come out, Ondo, and they announced yesterday at the summit as one of their bigger pieces of news that they will be using the XRP ledger and XLM. Do you understand how big this is? And to top it all off, Donald Trump Jr. is there as a featured speaker for 30 minutes talking on Ondo. We see Trump coming out all pro crypto. We see the whole basket of US currencies come out. That just comes out of nowhere, right? Do you see where this is going? The future is tokenization. Obviously, the Trumps know what Ando is doing. Obviously, the Trumps, when we say the Trumps, talking about the whole Trump family and the administration, they know what Ripple is doing. And then you put both of these cases together, and Ando announces that they are using the XRP ledger for tokenization. Are you kidding me? Folks, this is about to get absolutely insane. I hope you're ready for this crazy ride that's about to go down. I know I am. I'm going to leave it like that. Look, wash your damn hands. Be nice and be kind to each other. Ripple Van Winkle is out.